Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
That's me. I'm the girl on top. That's me. Hi, guys. Naybelle's back. Who's gonna be pink? Not Beverly, but we say hello, Beverly. I'm so glad to see you. I hope you're doing well tonight. John, congratulations. I know you're celebrating. Cheers to you. What does it look like I'm drinking? Although, I guess the ice sort of gives it away. You don't ice beer, do you, Carla? I don't know. I don't drink beer. I really don't. That's Red Bull. The first time I've had both the cans in front of me. Oh, you rode a bike today? Good job, Beverly. Fuck yeah. I'll drink to that. Anyways, I wasn't sure what the difference is, but this one has 5 calories and this one has 10 calories, but they're both this one's 0 sugar, this one's sugar-free. Talk about confusing. Mixed messages. 0 sugar versus sugar-free. Hi, Mikey. Beer is kind of gross. That's why I've never drank a full beer in my whole life. I just haven't. Yeah, one of them has way more sodium. Way more. It's this one. So the one with more calories also has way more sodium. 105. No, and there's no aspartame in either of them, D-Man. I checked. There's not. So, but the difference being 105 milligrams of sodium in this one, 20 milligrams of sodium in this one. I know, D-Man. It's terrible. Nice to see you, by the way. I always try and get my red food dye in, food dyes, unnatural preservatives, questionable chemicals, that kind of thing. I really like to get that in early in the day. Not later on, just the way I do. I think you have... I don't know what you did wrong. Cellulite yoga pants. You got monetization, John. Good luck. Good luck. I love that for you. Oh, wait, you applied. I'm sorry, I thought you said you got it. Well, still good luck. Oh my God. YouTube Daddy is a fickle master. I've always said that. Speaking of YouTube Daddy, let's travel by Flu Powder. Doo-doo-doo. Doo. Look at us. No, you weren't. It's still not working, but you know how Streamlabs is. Sometimes somebody needs to actually be in the chat for a long enough time in order for because we reset points, for them to get it in the system. That's the key. Anyways. We're watching something that we've watched before. Not exactly, but that we've, hi Anastasia. I love your name. I wanted a name like Anastasia when I was little. Actually, Stacy, honestly. Because
when I call your name, it will come up and...
Oh, speaking of names, we're doing a name change docket. What would you have changed your name to in the chat? Put it in there. Tell me. I wished for the longest time as a teenager and like preteen that my name was Stacy. I just thought all my life's problems would be solved if my name wasn't Paisley anymore and it was Stacy. You know, the way that you do when you are 12 or 10 or however old I was reading books. Anyways, hi Courtney. Hola. Hola, mi amor. NPC is here. Beverly liked your name. I love that. And listen, I like my name now, but I think that, you know, some people have many varying... Is that Mayor up on the top? Sorry, I'm distracted. I need to finish my Red Bull. But seriously, this is a name change docket. We don't know why any of these people are changing their name, but we're going to find out. I hope. Sometimes the judge, like, doesn't pay attention and just sort of, like, does this, and then sometimes he talks about it. So we'll see what we get today. Remedy. All right. Hold on. We have Amanda. Amanda might be changing her name. We have David up top. We have Kelly showing pronouns, which is possibly a tip-off. No shame. And then we have Remedy. That is not a given name if I am calling it right. That's the one she wants to change it to. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Oh, D-Man, you're pink tonight, by the way. What color was John? I forgot to look.
Have a seat at the table here. If you're remote, if you will
everyone have a
unmute when
seat
I
at
call
the
your
table,
name
please.
and activate your video.
Activate your video at home or just watch mine. That's fine. Kelly, please don't do that. It's not camera etiquette.
And Joanna Dower.
Yes, I'm here.
Dower, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We'd like to return to being Johanna Phillips.
That is correct.
Divorce? Disdain? What is the cause of this name change? She was blowing her nose. It's not really that inappropriate, but you just gotta get slightly more off camera. So this is a last name change. Sort of boring. Your sister named you? Oh my God, NPC, that is actually really sweet.
Johanna K. Phillips. Ms. Phillips, have a nice weekend.
Thank you.
Damn, in and out.
Good luck with that.
We got Timbo up here. Oh my fucking God. Oh Jesus, dressed as candy corn himself. Is Timbo changing his name to Timbo, or is it Timbo and he's mad about it? That is all I need to know today. If we find that out during these hearings, I'm going to be so happy. Ooh. Timbo. What? Oh my God. Timbit is a good last name. Judge, are you talking? What's Amanda laughing at? Amanda, don't laugh at me. Stop it. She looks like she's on AOL Messenger at the same time as this court hearing somehow. She's traveled back in time, probably via a Tumblr link is what I'm guessing, and then she is visiting us simultaneously from an AOL chat and this Zoom call. You know, aw, NPC. That's so sweet. Are you talking about her? She is doing that little angelic sort of thing. No, I know you're talking about me. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Brooklyn. You're gonna draw the wrong crowd. I'm just joking. Remedy's got bangs like I would never. And Amanda, what are you? She's sexting somebody. Are you sexting in the AOL chat, Amanda? That's inappropriate. It's inappropriate. Also, if you look at that picture above her head, if you think that the like lights are reflections, it looks like she's got like 75 candles lit in front of her. Oh, Judge, this is, you know, I'm a great filler, but this is long. Even for my standards. But we all know the rule. If I fucking touch the fast forward button, he will begin to speak. Something crazy will happen. See?
Saxton Lloyd.
Cellulite yoga pants. I don't mean to be rude, but really?
Ms. Lloyd,
Yeah, we're here.
here we go. Do you have video capability?
Unmute. Yeah, this just unmutes us.
Yeah.
That doesn't turn the
Okay.
video on.
Oh my gosh.
Click on the camera icon. Here we go. You did
Found
it. Have you heard from Mr. Mitchell?
I have not.
And jeez,
Judge Ponders. Is their child? I think they are.
thumbnails there so I can see the documents.
Sometimes children get their last name changed and they have to get a hold of another parent. I think
Bad
that's what
idea.
he's asking. Possibly. Allegedly, in my opinion. I honestly just made that part up, but I've seen it before.
So I don't want to display like that. Might have Blaine come in here and reconfigure this. Yeah, would you go ahead? I'm trying to open up your final parenting plan so I can look at that.
Look at that. I was right. A final
Did I-
parenting plan. An FPP, if you will, BB.
Saxon, how come you're not in school today?
Yeah, Saxton.
I got early dismissal.
You sure about that?
That's called playing hooky.
You played hooky. That means you skipped school.
What a weird conversation. Thank you, Brutal Bob. Yes, I've now begun buying red, just for you guys. His new mom will make him go to school properly. Exactly. Adopt him out. And that is a classic adoptable name. Fargan. Good evening. You know, I was going to make this a members only, and then I was influenced by YouTube
Yeah,
not to. Just so you know. I love your member, Courtney. Judge, you're making me do drugs. Did anybody else wake up this morning, look at their stove, and think they were late to work? Was that just a me experience today? Because that happened this morning. Somehow my Fitbit and my phone automatically change. Great. Love it. Thank you. And then, but of course the stove didn't, and I didn't do it before I went to bed because I'm not that smart. And then I'm just like, I know Remedy is beautiful. She's got that soft lighting that looks like she's in a French painting or a dream. Like somebody you dream, you know? Who like bumps into you in this delightful meet cute that you can never replicate again and that will haunt your ever living life and live rent free forever. You'll never see her again, but somehow she'll live in your mind forever. She might be a robot.
All right,
I
I've
think she's a
reviewed the
robot.
parenting plan
Judge, do you?
by Commissioner Brandt, which gives sole custody to Ms. Sachs or Ms. Loy, and removes all decision-making from Mr. Mitchell. Based on that court order, I will allow the name change without input from Mr. Mitchell, although I do see that he was provided notice and I don't see that he has appeared. So Saxon, I can change your name, but there's a test you have to pass.
Oh my god, Judge.
You
Okay.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to spell Loy?
L-O-Y.
Passed. Good job. Your mother told me to ask that question. She wanted to make sure. Okay, Saxon, you're now Saxon Loy officially, okay?
Okay.
All right, go back to school, do your homework.
We will, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, on Monday. Yeah.
yes, exactly.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
He strikes me as somebody who doesn't know how to deal with kids. As somebody who does know how to deal with kids, I feel like I was cringing just about as much as the judge, as the kid would be. Yeah, we have daylight saving time, Courtney. It fucked me up. It was so bright today. I felt like a vampire. I was like... I like getting up in the dark. I'm angsty like that. Suffer. I want to suffer. Why are you doing this?
Why they want that.
It's a name change docket. That one looked like it was dad had been out of the picture, and mom wanted to change the name back to her name.
I want.
Oh, I slept longer, I guess. Judge is just like milking this.
Amir
Do you know
Gog
why?
Vollendorf.
What? What? Was that a fucking spell from Harry Potter? Calm down, Judge. Say it again. Paisley will stop talking this time. Who was Timbo banging? I don't know. I swear to God, he looks like candy corn. Remedy was in the Jason Bourne movie. Oh my God, Brooklyn. Scene is from the Bourne Dilemmacy? I don't know. No, I know what they're called. I've watched them all.
Amir Gog Vollendorf.
Hello.
Oh,
Good afternoon.
Hello,
afternoon.
Miss.
So we're adding the name Gog, is that right?
Gogli, yes, we are.
Gogli? Also, does he have a ponytail?
Gogi,
He
is that how you
does.
say it?
Gogui. You're close.
Well, I don't, is there an L in there? I don't see an L.
No. It's UE. Gogui.
Okay, all right. And you're dropping the Vanessa,
Yes.
going with your middle name as your first name and adding Maiana as
Yes.
your middle name.
That is correct.
Okay, I got that one pronounced right?
You did.
Give me a whole bunch of consonants. Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Amira. It's officially Amira Maiana Gogli Wallendorf.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a nice weekend.
You too.
Thanks.
Sorry, I'm trying to complete my transformation. I'm not flexing. Courtney, I love you so much. Where's my fucking hair elastic?
Leia Ray.
Leia Ray. That sounds like a porn name, 100%.
Yes, that's me. Hello.
Great afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay, so was Saleha the name you were born with, or was that a name you changed a few years ago?
That's the name I was thinking.
Okay. And it's now going to, see, you've changed your, you're keeping Ruby.
Yes.
So Remedy, Ruby, Moon, Rhea.
Yeah.
Okay. So how'd you come up with that combination of names?
Well, I've been going by Remedy for a few years. I was inspired by that one from a fridge magnet, funny enough. And then Ruby, I wanted to keep something from my given name, and then I just really
Right.
like the moon.
Okay.
That's how I did it.
Oh no,
Right.
ma'am.
You are
you
the-
serious right now? Did you just say a fridge magnet and the fact that you like the moon? This sounds like as if you allowed a child to choose their name. Seriously, we gotta hear that. Also, am I matching his hair perfectly? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Was inspired by that one from a fridge magnet, funny enough. And then Ruby, I wanted to keep something from my given name, and then I just really
Right.
like the moon.
Okay.
That's how I did it.
All right. You are the remedy to whatever ails you, right?
Yes, I guess so. I'm about to graduate massage school, so it's fitting.
Yeah, okay. Well, that works. Start your own business, or are you going to work for somebody?
Probably work for somebody at first, and then I'll eventually transition to ownership. But I have to display my business or my license on the wall, so I was hoping it would not be my old name.
Yeah, okay. Well, you don't have to.
That's great.
Remedy Massage is now up and running.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. And then I'm sorry to ask, but do I come to the court to get the paperwork, or I wasn't totally sure how that works? Maybe it's not a
We
question.
mail you one copy.
You'll mail me one. Okay, fantastic.
All right. Thank you.
so
Have a
much.
nice weekend.
You
Good
too.
luck at graduation.
Thank you.
Judge be looking up Remedy Massage later. Like, oh shit.
Mr. Seigan, are you waiting for a name change case?
Mr. Zepp? Oh, what? You're driving to Houston. Be careful!
Yes, Your Honor, more in a
Read Trevor.
supportive role for Mr. Justin Nieves.
Let's go straight to that one.
Hi, Tin Man. I
Justin
was so
Nieves.
distracted by everything there. Remedy took my
afternoon, Your
eyes
Honor.
away.
Mr. Nieves, good afternoon.
Funny, I love Houston. Great food. Mostly friendly people. Most people are
Yeah, that's
pretty friendly to
interesting,
me.
the additional E that you're getting rid of.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, one ministerial mistake on a birth certificate leads to a totally different name.
Yep.
Are you
All
telling
right.
me this is not a transition thing that somebody fucking transcribed his name from Justin to Justina and he's not actually... Are you joking? That has to be a joke. Did I misunderstand? Did I misunderstand? I've also driven in Texas. I know. It is dangerous. Many, many lanes. Many, many lanes.
Also leads to a bunch of difficulties later on in life.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can imagine that.
But why wouldn't you get that fixed as a child? Pardon me. Oh my god, don't you fucking dare redo your... Are you redoing your hair? Aaron! You fucking asshole. I just did that move. Okay, bro? And if you do it easier and faster than me without a prop, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. Okay? Look at this. How's he doing it?
Never mind.
Is it just standing straight up with damage?
Got it
You
now.
see what the reality is about my hair, Aaron, is that it's not damaged. So I have to stand it up with a pencil to make it do that. You want to see what happens when I take my pencil out? It like, oh, it almost stays up actually. But if one ponytail only, it's floppy. I got a floppy pony. I got a floppy pony.
All right, Justin, that E's gone forever.
Sweet. Thank you, Your
Yep.
Honor.
Okay. All right, have a good day.
You
Thanks
too.
for being there for him, Mr. Seigan.
And thank you, Your Honor. Just one quick question. That order, is that going to be mailed to him or we have to go get it?
One copy will be mailed to him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All righty. Have a good weekend, both of you.
Have a good weekend, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Ow, I'm over it. I don't like ponytails anymore, honestly. I like getting my hair pulled. I don't like tying my hair back to be pulled constantly. There's a difference. You understand? Pull my hair? Yes. Tie it back forever? No. No. I like clips more and more every day. Okay. Judge, this has gotta be the slowest docket. You're fucking killing me, man. Are you milking this for something? Is there like an actual
Ellie
meeting
Bean.
you have to go to? Who?
Good afternoon. Ellie Bean. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
How are you today?
I'm doing excellent. How about yourself?
L.A. Bean? Is that like the precursor to L.L. Bean?
It was a little wet earlier, but I'm starting to dry off.
Yeah, I can relate.
Yeah. Okay, so Leelie and Pocket.
Yep.
Okay. How Pocket? Where's that come from?
So when I was younger, I was a really short person, and up until about the age of 22, I remained short at about 4'10", and all of my friends told me I was about the size of their pocket. I could fit in there. So it just kind of stuck.
Yeah, pocket size, right?
Hold on, the bigger story is
Oh,
that
you
you grew at 22? Are you serious? How? What? That doesn't make sense.
Not pocket size now, so.
No, not as much anymore, Your Honor.
Okay.
Harkening back to your skinny days? Is what's happening?
And you can go by Ellie or by pocket?
I'm gonna go by Ellie.
Okay.
By
All right, Ellie,
pocket?
come on up
Yeah, I
here
go by
and Chase will
pocket.
give you a copy of the order. Yep.
Wear heels, Riverside. You can experience it. Today I stood on a step ladder for like 20 minutes while I was doing something else just to feel tall. I did. If you haven't done that, I want you to do that. 2-step ladder. I stood up there for 20 minutes doing something else. Just like experiencing the world a little bit higher up. You know? Very good. I recommend. 10 out of 10. Free, in fact. Pretty much free. I'm 5'5". I'm pretty sure I'm 5'4", but I lie and say I'm 5'5", because it helps my BMI. There's a dog! 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 There's a dog! Oh my god, it's so cute. Aaron, you're so fucking lucky. Look at that dog. He's
Play
like, I want it
Luana.
all.
Violet?
Oh!
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And let's see. I said Leila Luena, and we have it on our calendar is wrong, but it looks like you have it on your petition is right. So it's Celaena.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And that would be Selena Ashley Violet.
Yeah.
Okay.
That dog's like me right now. I'm hungry and horny.
Oh, I can see how we got the L and the C confused. I'm looking at your handwriting on the petition.
Yeah, my handwriting's perhaps subpar.
Yeah, I'm not going to criticize anybody's handwriting because if you saw mine, you'd say, oh, you shouldn't throw stones at a glass house. But I do see where we got C instead of L. But on the form, it looks like we have it correct. So it will be Selena.
Judge's humor is very jarring. Oh my god, this dog is making everything great. Look
All right,
at
Selena
Amanda
Ashley Violet.
with her
We'll
dog.
get a copy of the order to you in the mail.
All right, thank you.
Have a great weekend.
Yep, you too.
Thanks.
I want someone to pet me. Oh my god. This dog's getting more affection than I have lately. I feel like he's doing this on purpose to fuck me up. He's like, ugh. I know he's not, but that puppy is so sweet. Amanda's cat. What are you rocking, Amanda?
Shannon
On a
Warner.
chair. Oh my god, she's on a rocking chair? Shannon, you're next. Good night, Brutal Bob.
Shannon Warner. Shannon, I see your name there.
Okay, I gotta just turn the camera around.
Yeah, and I see that you're a little concerned about providing too much information as to where you are, so you don't have to have the camera on. That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so I've read your petition and I won't even indicate what your new name is.
Okay, I appreciate that.
The reason I'm doing that is going through a sealing process of records is a pretty involved process. So we can't just do it right here. Hence, I'm going to try to keep the information not out there.
I appreciate that.
Witness protection, obviously. Good job, Judge.
Okay, I've changed the name as you requested. Have a good weekend.
You have a good weekend as well. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Oh, cat's on the move, cat's on the move, cat's on the move. Oh, just laying back down. Thank you, Amanda, for the better view. Cat does not seem to be bothering the dog, by the way. That's good. Oh, do you hear my cookies or my crackers? They're baguettes, actually. Upper. Are you allowed to give dogs these kinds of things? Is he allowed?
Amanda Harris.
Oh, Amanda, your turn.
All right. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. And you're thinking to yourself, man, that's the last time I want to be called Amanda Harris.
I'm looking forward to it.
All right. So Amanda Rose Sudakis.
Sedicus.
Sudakis?
It's Lithuanian.
Okay. So the I doesn't have any role in it?
Not really.
Okay. All right.
Just fuck people up, Judge. I'm gonna make a quesadilla for dinner. I made guacamole, and I'm going to have a quesadilla for dinner, which means I need to stop eating these. Luckily, they have one of those sealing. One of those reseal bags that never works. You know those?
First time in 33 years I've added a Lithuanian name. So thank you for the privilege to do so.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. So you're Amanda Sedicus.
Thank you.
And if I got to say goodbye in Lithuanian, I would.
I don't even know how to say it, so you're good.
Okay. Yeah. But I bet you can say ciao in Lithuanian. Everybody would know what you meant. Because I know Italians had both words Lithuanian. All right. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
So obscure, and sometimes I worry like I'm like the judge. Am I awkward? Probably. Probably. I sang a karaoke song today. Can anybody guess which one? Ooh,
David Martins.
This is obviously going to be my next playlist, though. I got Salsa Verde Riverside.
Mr. Martins, yeah, there we go.
Yes, sir.
Salsa Verde.
Good
Yes,
afternoon.
sir. Good afternoon to you, sir.
You know, life is pretty funny. It cracks me up all the time when little stuff like this happens. So if you were paying attention, the last woman her last name was Harris, and she changed it to something. And you're going from Martins to Harris.
Yeah, that's the name I've gone by for my entire life until I found out that's not what's on my birth certificate.
Yeah. And just coincidentally, you guys are almost the exact same age. So
are we really?
Yeah. So, you know, I was just looking at this thinking, oh my gosh, this is so funny. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you and not keep it to myself.
those are inside thoughts. There's so many inside thoughts that you say out loud, Judge. I bet one's coming now. I can sense it with the weird smile you've got.
My high school girlfriend's last name was Harris. If I ever see her again, I'll have to tell her that. And one day I had somebody abandoning Harris and then another person joining Harris. So.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cringe.
You're officially David Harris.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a great weekend.
You too, sir.
Thanks.
It's like at the edge of my cringe level today. My meter's low. It must be the time change has fucked me up because I'm just like, Judge, why? Why you gotta be like this today? Look at Kelly's fucking posture, by the way. Like, hashtag goals. I've been sitting here like a fucking hobbit. And Kelly's back here just ramrod up her back.
Brandon Cormier. Maybe called Cormier.
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 It's
So
America, Judge.
French say Cormier,
Yes, they do.
but the Cormiers just say Cormier.
Yeah,
But you're done with that name anyway.
I am.
Okay. And is your stepdad still alive?
Yes, he is.
Does he know you're doing this?
Yeah, I told him on Father's Day.
Oh, there's a good deal. That's pretty cool. Is he watching on YouTube?
No.
You know, what you can do if you want is YouTube stays up until about an hour after we finish the hearing. So if you, as you walk out the door, if you want to tell him, check out the district court YouTube for 401 this afternoon, he could see your name being changed to his.
Okay.
Cool, an hour. Why?
Want to say
an
anything good
hour?
about him?
I mean, he raised me, so he's basically my dad.
Okay, there you go. That's a good hit. If he watches it, he'll hear you say that.
Why is that so fucking cringe? Judge, why do you gotta make
All
everything
right,
so
Mr.
weird?
Reed, come on up and we'll give you a copy of the certificate.
It's like he's a robot and he doesn't know how to process emotion probably. He's like AI.
Another suggestion would be, you can make a copy of that, frame it, and give it to your stepdad.
Oh, I definitely will be.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Ew, he's like spewing Pinterest. Do you think that Aaron Zepp is going to change his name to Aaron App or something so that he can be at the beginning of the alphabet?
Desiree
finally?
Haddock.
With a double A first name and a Z last name? Kelly is sick as she's blown her nose 30
So-
times.
You doing it for your real ID and you're just changing names, or is this an old name or what?
So my parents did this. So I have an old name on my birth certificate, and then I have another name on my social security number
Yikes.
card.
That's a
So,
problem.
and it's always been that way.
Yeah.
So when I went to go get my real ID, I was like, I don't understand what the problem is. I've always got an ID with this.
Yeah.
And they were like, you can't do that anymore. I was like, okay. So here we are.
So which name is it? Kunrad that's on the birth certificate?
No, Haddock is on the birth certificate.
Okay. Right, well, we can change that name. We can't change the birth certificate, but we can change Haddock to Kennard, right? Koonard, not RAD.
No, it's RAD.
RAD.
KOONRAD.
Coonrad?
We'll make sure we get it right.
Coonrad? Why does that sound
Just
vaguely
sit there and I'll get
racist?
the right form to sign for you.
Who wants to come make my quesadilla? I already have the salsa and the guacamole. But if I could have a line cook to the kitchen, please, to make my fucking quesadilla. Oh, that would be great. Great. Guess what? We're doing a daytime show tomorrow. We're gonna do live court. A la one of my
Yeah.
Oh.
It's N-R-A,
what's my phone saying? Shut up.
AOONRAD.
not A-R-D.
Anyways, we're gonna watch Thurston TPO court live tomorrow. So starting at 9 a.m. Pacific, that's noon East. We're gonna be watching Thurston County live. So tune on in. It'll be a little after 9, probably 9:15. Judge just told me that they leave it up for an hour afterwards. Sick. That's sick, bro, as I would say. That's sick. Yeah. Which also reminds me, that's great. I'm so excited. Judge is texting me. Oh my god, you're so right. I better take a cute little snapshot to send back to him. One sec. Kelly is sick. Oh, Aaron, are you trying to take a picture of me? I'm taking pictures to send, apparently, to the judge. And, but hopefully nobody's actually sick. Sick means good these days, Mikey. Didn't you know that? Like, when something's good, you're like, that's sick, bro. Oh my god, but Kelly is actually sick. She has literally sneezed a million times. We're at a name change docket, Mikey, and we don't judge. Doesn't matter. We don't know. We'll get to it when we get to it.
Still want to change your name? Still want to change your name?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly it's been parental mistakes so far, to be honest. Yeah, you're fine. But you said hi earlier, hence the confusion. Unlike what people think, I don't actually keep tabs.
Come on up and we'll give you a copy.
I love it when you come and go. One of my favorite things. Judge is like an edging session today, is he not? That's all he's doing. Okay. Does anybody else take 17 photos to eventually just send one? And then you forget which one
Isabella
it was?
Ramos.
Ramos? And then you're like, shit, your forehead looks huge.
And good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And Isabella, you're 15, is that right?
Yes, that is.
All right.
Yes.
And the request is to drop the Isabella and add the rain.
Yes.
Rain.
It could not be a more appropriate day to do that than today. Yeah. Are you in Portland or are you up here?
I'm here in Olympia.
Okay, so yeah. I should make you run outside and then come back in and then we can change your name to Rain. All right. And Ben, you good with this?
I am.
You want me to make her run outside?
No, she's good. Thank you.
All right. And Empress, do you want me to make her run outside?
No, she's going to run outside anyway to go back to school, so I think it's already going to happen.
Oh, good. Okay. You're going to get there just in time to come home.
One more class.
Where do you go to school?
Olympia High School.
Oh, please don't Well, whatever.
Sophomore or junior?
Sophomore.
What is that
Good for
in
you. You
grade?
have 2 more years of having a lot of fun.
Grade 10?
Oh.
Is that grade 10? A
You
sophomore?
didn't enthusiastically endorse that, so I'm worried about you. Your mother can tell you it doesn't get any better than those years. After that, life just goes downhill.
Untrue.
I'm kidding. Both my daughters went to Ole. And we had a Swiss exchange student who lived with us. And first day she came home from Olympia, she said to me, I said, how was school? She said, oh, school was fun, but I had no idea that every American kid has a car. Yeah, and she said in her city of Bern in Switzerland, no kids have cars. In fact, most parents don't have cars. They just take the bus or the train, and they rent cars on the weekends to go up to the mountains. And, you know, I know what she's talking about. When you go to the Ole parking lot, you know, after school, all the kids come flooding out, hop into the cars, and they disappear. Yeah, that was a real crack up for her. Then she went home to Switzerland, told her parents she needed a car. So,
Yeah, a Swiss spy.
okay, this should be about you. I'm sorry that it's about, you know, my exchange student. All right,
Oh, and
so
he
Rain,
has
great day.
fond memories of her. You can tell. Look at the smile on his face. And who wouldn't? I'm going to believe and legally need to know that she was a college exchange student. Just for my peace of mind. But, yeah. Jesus, Judge. It's all cringe today. All cringe all day, baby. All cringe all fucking day.
So, okay, this should be about you. I'm sorry that it's about, you know, my exchange student. All right, so Rain, great day. Go outside and get wet and celebrate that it's celebrating your name.
Thank you.
All righty, good luck at school.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Go outside and get wet? He didn't, did he?
Hey, go outside and get wet and celebrate that it's celebrating your name.
Thank you.
All righty, good luck at school.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Yes, please.
Bye, guys.
Yes, I will. Again, these are adults. This is adults. I hope. Everybody now seems adult. Judge, why are you talking creepy? Jesus. I know, it's like very awkward dad energy. Like the kind of dad, like not the cool kind of dad.
William Freibolt, if I pronounce that correctly.
Okay, William
Yes, Your Honor.
Kelly.
So, Freibolt or
Freebolt.
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 Yes, Your Honor.
Freebolt.
Lily and Grace Freebolt.
No response. Rustling. What's happening? Oh my God.
All right, Lillian, name's been changed, and I'll try to pronounce it correctly in the future. So when you get called for jury duty, I'll have the right name.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day. You'll get a copy in the mail.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Who's left? Aaron, Mr. Aaron Zed down here, who's turned the camera from his head up into the air. What is he doing with his dog down there? That's the question we have. Also, who are the people wearing matching trench coats in the back? Is that what they're wearing? I'm not sure. I'm so hungry. sus. There's so many parent fuck ups in this. Judge is just relishing in how
Nadia
good he is at paperwork.
Jones.
Like, ain't nobody fucked his kids' birth certificates up.
Hi, how are you?
Is it camo? My God, thank them for their service.
So, trying to remember what Makai means.
Toward the sea in Hawaiian.
Yeah, okay. It's Malka is mountain, is that right?
I don't know.
I always got confused between Malka and Makai. So I thought Makai meant sea, but you confirmed it.
Kelly's got big plans.
And that's your
Big
daughter's
plans.
middle name?
It is.
Yeah, that's nice.
I would name myself after a
Was
Hawaiian
it her
chocolate
dad's
bar.
last name?
No, her dad's last name was my previous name when I was married to him, but I got remarried last summer.
I would like to go to Hawaii again.
Your daughter know that you're stealing her middle name?
She does, and she's actually planning to file for her own change of last name to Makai.
Oh, okay. I thought you could tell me she's filing an objection.
No, she's very excited about it.
Okay, good. So she's
Do I
getting
have
permission.
vocal
then
fry
you're not
normally?
stealing her name.
Yeah.
All right. Ms. Makai Jones, come on up and we'll give you a copy of the document.
Thank you.
She sure does, though. Once you point it out, you hear it so much. Good night, Bill. We love you. Who's white teeth? The judges? Yeah, a flight from BC to Hawaii is short, but a stay in Hawaii is expensive. Oh. I would love to go on a trip where I only have to fly 4 hours or 3 hours instead of 20.
Timothy Smith,
Yes, yeah.
otherwise known as Timbo.
Timbo!
I'm here.
Timbo!
was-
What's up, bro?
So you want me to change Timothy to Timbo too?
No, I can stick with Timothy for sure.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I love when people put their nicknames up on the screen. That way I can get-
It's from my
You?
Facebook page. I don't know why it chose
Yeah,
that.
no, that's cool. You know, I see a lot of Timothys. I don't see very many Timbos, at least ones that admit it.
Yeah, I mean, I was in the military, and Timothy Smith was a kind of a generic name, so I kind of adapted Timbo.
Yeah, okay. Usually in the military, they just call you by your last name. So,
Yeah.
you know, if they say, hey, Smith, get over here, you know, 6 guys report over.
Exactly, and so I was referred to by my last 4 while I was in the Marines.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we're going to Hellman.
Yep,
Okay. That was your birth name.
it was.
Courtney always knows. Courtney's in the know. That's how it goes.
I could bring up Marine memories and say, all right, Hellman, drop down and give me 10. But I'll tell you, have a good weekend and we'll get a copy in the mail to you.
Thanks so much.
All righty. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Just everything, Courtney. Just everything. No, I'm just joking. Mikey said Courtney knows, and I said Courtney knows everything. Judge, can we get to Aaron? Can we please?
Jasmine Williams.
Jasmine! Oh my God, Mikey, haven't you been looking for her? I'm pretty sure you've been looking for Jasmine for a while.
Jasmine Williams.
Jasmine! Jasmine!
She ever walked in?
Me too, Courtney, me too. Fucking Jasmine, is she not gonna show up? Oh my God, that would add to the lore. That would add to the lore if Hot Jasmine doesn't show up here. Oh my god. Yet another letdown. Oh! Who the fuck is that? Jasmine? Jasmine? We're 6.
So fucking awesome.
Oh my god. Who? What? Did they just say so fucking awesome?
So fucking awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, that is a dog
Right,
on the floor.
was that
right there.
Ross?
Look at you.
Your Honor.
You know this guy that's sitting with you?
I don't know him. No. Yes, I
Are you guys gonna share a name?
We are, Your Honor.
Okay, you wanna have him come up, so he feels like part of this process?
Look at him all turn red. He's like a mood ring.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great, thanks. You guys in the same unit?
No, sir.
No.
You don't.
It's
She
work
wishes.
Is this
We could
a
have worked
weird,
together.
weird military thing? Like, why would don't you have to get married? I am very confused. What's going on? Why would you name change to somebody that's in the military with you? Is that like me marrying my work husband who's a woman?
What are the MOSs?
I'm a human resource administrator.
And I'm an airdrop systems technician, sir.
That sounds complicated too. It's all complicated.
Airdrops all over the place?
All over the place, sir.
He dropped in my life.
Rehearse line. That's good.
Oh my god.
All right, so we're getting rid of the Ross, and you're gonna be Arius hyphen, is it?
Colclasure,
Make sure we have it
sir.
right. Colclasure?
Colclasure, yes, sir.
Yes.
Let's see. So COLCLASURE.
Yes, sir.
That's right.
Okay. And I should ask if you know how to spell.
He was just asking me that. I think it's right. COLCLA.
Oh, you just look at his name tag. Work on it.
Yeah, they're very cute. It sort of makes me sick.
Good news now
I
is
would
you guys
rather
get
them
the
be shooting
PCS
loads. I mean,
together, right?
dropping loads.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dropping.
Okay. Do you have a PCS coming up or?
No.
No, we just got here from Hawaii.
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
The
Schofield
stars
Barracks
aligned.
or-
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Schofield Barracks. The stars aligned, they PCS us together. Yeah.
Nice. I used to do reserve duty at Fort Shafter.
Oh, wow.
The Army finally discovered that they were paying me every year to spend 2 weeks in Hawaii, and they said, let's find something closer, like, JBLM for you to go do. And I said, okay. I'm not interested in that. But Shafter's nice too, although there can't be a cushier assignment than what I had at Fort Shafter.
Fort Shafter was the place to be.
Did Aaron just do up his pants? Aaron, again, off fucking camera. Oh my god. Why is this the never-ending docket? I swear to God. It's like I'm being punished. And I know I said earlier I like to be punished, but not by this judge. By somebody else specifically.
But Shafter's nice too, although there can't be a cushier assignment than what I had at Fort Shafter.
Fort Shafter was the place to be.
It was. That was like the dream location.
Yeah. All right, come on up and get your name. Congratulations, you guys.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I didn't see who's higher ranking. I didn't see the rank.
Oh, he does.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
But I
he's
run his
refueling
mouth.
after he did get some ID. I mean,
All right,
I
see you
would
guys.
probably do that to somebody in court while waiting. Allegedly, given the opportunity. Judge, what are you bending over for? Sometimes I feel like he's wearing a Lego outfit. You know what I mean? Like his outfit is for a Lego character. It's just like solid and like stiff. Stiff. Yeah, legally, obviously.
All right, Worcester County Sheriff.
What? The sheriff?
On the animal services case? I am. Michael Epperson. This is the first you've seen your two dogs?
In 31 days.
I want to eat my
Good afternoon.
quesadilla.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Did he
Good
just drink that
afternoon.
entire
Good
bottle of
afternoon, Your Honor.
Fanta? Was that Fanta? Was that Fanta? It was orange. It must be Fanta, right? Did he just fucking drink that whole bottle in like a minute? Bro. That's wild. He must have shot a big load.
Okay, so I think I've read, or at least have an idea of what's going on here. You got arrested on a warrant. You indicate in your petition that you believed a neighbor was going to care for your dogs.
Neighbor was supposed to,
And
and
then,
according to the covenant of the quiet enjoyment law, that the landlord interceded and took the key from her. Shouldn't have happened. She would have, my dogs would have been just fine had she not done that.
okay, so, and then you come out of jail, get released about 30 days. I can't remember, it was
16
dogs
days
were seized
into
on
it.
the 24th, is that right?
It was 16 days into it. The dogs were taken out, I believe, on the 24th. I went in on the 21st. And I found out where they were at when I got released on the 8th.
We were right at the
And
end.
I still didn't even know about the 14 days. I didn't find out about the 14 days until I showed up and they informed me because I hadn't even been home yet. I didn't have a key to my place, so there was no point in going home.
Your Honor, I want to let the court know, I don't think we have a disagreement today to adjudicate.
Yeah, I want to hear the rest of the story, so.
Understood. I'm sorry.
Okay, so I mean, I guess what I'm happy that the dogs are still here and they haven't
Me too.
been sent off or euthanized, so that leads me to believe we're likely to have a happy ending here, probably with the assessment of some costs for care. Is that?
Well, Your Honor, no. Officer Robinson from Animal Services is here with me. We've discussed this quite a bit. Animal Services took a good long look at the case. As Your Honor, I believe noted earlier, it's unusual. But Animal Services, after carefully considering it, came to the conclusion that the best outcome for the animals would be to return them to Mr. Epperson. So that's been done, as the court can see. And Animal Services also does not object to returning the bond to.
That's pretty good resolution, Mr. Epperson.
Yes, I'm definitely happy for that. And I thank the courts for respecting my decision to come in here. Came back because I didn't want to disrespect the court for setting this all up, and even though we had already retrieved the dogs, yes.
Wow, we got them back. That's such good news. Aaron, what are you fucking shaking your head
Extremely
at?
thankful.
Okay, well, yeah, it's, you don't owe me any thanks. I'm just, I'm supposed to hear these cases. But, that's a nice gesture by Animal Services. So I appreciate that they didn't get rid of the dogs. They had the right to, even though you had a good reason for why you didn't respond in the 14 days. They could have, and they would have been on legal grounds to do that. Yet they had, the humanity to not do it and to allow you to get your dogs back, and I think that's a good outcome. So I don't think we need any order. I'm assuming with the return of the dogs, you're satisfied?
We're good.
Okay, and
Oh my
Animal
God, a
Services
good
satisfied,
outcome.
Mr.
Don't fuck with the
Just
dogs.
issue of the bond, Your Honor.
A dog's all the
actually-
kids out, but you gotta return the dogs.
Assuming the court received a bond. Oh, I understand. That was part of the exception request. Okay, then there's nothing further to address from Animal Services.
Nothing further. Please finish.
so, and I think in there, just, Mr. Epperson saw it, I believe, that the bond would have been $900, right? $450 per month per
Yes,
dog.
we knew this.
Yeah,
Mm.
so Animal Services has very kindly waived that.
I just cashed out my pension to try and make it happen, even though it wasn't gonna happen today, so.
Okay, all right, well, sometimes the system can beat people down, sometimes the system can treat them well, and in this case, you've been treated really well. So I hope you see it that way.
I do.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Also,
Go enjoy
Kids
your dinner.
USA.
Thank you, Mr. Sheriff. Good job.
Thank you.
Me neither, cellulite yoga pants. All the zero sugar these days. Once in a while, I treat myself to real orange juice, like Valencia oranges, orange juice. Ugh. Ugh.
Have a nice day, Your Honor. It's not often the court ends up in happy endings. It's kind of a nice calendar to watch.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, it is an interesting calendar, isn't it?
It sure is, I guess. It's slow as fuck. A YouTuber better than me would have cut it down. But of course I didn't. Just because I love spending time with you. I'll take it any way I can get. Oh my God, look at the dog! Oh my God! Are you being nice to the dog? What are you doing to the dog? Sir. Oh, just putting his collar on. Okay, good. We're good. We're good. Orange juice, you can make carnitas if you have pork. You can, I think there's another recipe you can make. I'm sure a few. Smoothies, add it to
Aaron Zepp,
smoothies.
Aztec Lanes, Great Northwest Towing.
Huh? Like a small claims case?
Dan Brathett here representing Aztec Lanes.
Thank you, Mr. Bratho. And Mr. Zepp's here. And on behalf of Great Northwest Towing, your name again?
Lacey Sellers.
Thank you, Ms. Sellers. Okay, and Mr. Bratho, do you have camera capability there?
Yes.
Get activated, please.
Yes, sir.
Lacey's got a great rack.
Thank you.
Holy
If
shit.
all three of you would raise your right hands for me. And right hand, there we go. You swear testimony in this case to be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
Okay. Got yeses from everybody. All right. So, Mr. Bratho, tell me the basis for ordering the tow.
There was a car parked illegally in our front parking lot during non-business hours. I was coming in to open for the day. We have a league that starts in the morning. We have several occasions where the locals around the area park on the property and abandon their vehicles or do deals and stuff. So we've got a real problem in the area. We have it posted on the building in several occasions, several spots, which I sent to the courts, stating that unauthorized vehicles will be towed at the vehicle owner's expense.
All right. And Ms. Sellers, I'm assuming you weren't present at the tow, is that right?
No, Your Honor. I'm the owner of the company, but I was not present during the tow.
Okay. And are the photos that I've looked at, did those signs exist at the time of the tow, to your knowledge?
Yes, Your Honor. Those signs have been posted for many, many years. We change them quite often whenever.
You can also freeze orange juice in cubes in an ice cube tray and then use it to put in smoothies again or in other things in smaller amounts. If it's going to go bad, you can just freeze it and it freezes really well and it'll shave in like shaved ice.
Whenever Dan or his wife request new signs, we provide them. Because sometimes people will rip them off the buildings or rip them off the areas locally around there.
Has that been a major issue at Aztec Lanes or just other locations?
That part of Olympia tends to have a little bit more of a problem with cars just getting abandoned or cars just getting left. People parking there and then leaving there, not even being a patron in their business. And it's kind of a smaller parking lot. So when their leagues come in, they have to have places for all of their bowlers to park. So.
And Mr. Bratho, are you the one who took the photos?
I took photos of the signs in the front of the building. Yes, sir.
Okay, so there's a red car there. Is that the car at issue or not?
Oh, no, I didn't take that photo. That must have been from Great Northwest, one with his vehicle there.
My drivers always take pictures of the vehicle prior to picking it up.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Zepp, what's the explanation here?
Okay, so first off, I was the only car in that parking lot in the morning, and they have a whole back lot with lots of parking. And my dad's my dad works next door. I was gone I walked over to my dad's work. I was talking to my dad for a minute, and I was gonna come back to get in my rig. And but also, I have the RCW right here that states that a private party business should not do an immediate tow. They should wait 24 hours to tow before. And I can read you the RCW that states it right here. Also, it says that if they have the unauthorized vehicle sign posted, they have to have a clear list of the parking rules, like one that states for customer only parking. They have there's not a single sign up that says for customer only parking there. And so I parked away from their door. I didn't park right by their door. I parked away. I was going to the business next door. I didn't know that you couldn't go to the business next door. There's a lot of construction going on around there. There is no parking anywhere for inner city transit. I mean, that's the only parking lot pretty much there. And then also, I wanted to just, if I could, state to the court or whatever, because the lady that had my rig towed stated to me that she was sitting there specifically watching the camera to see, where I went, and then called in for tow immediately. And I don't know, to me, I'm sorry, but that's like a real, I was the only car in the parking lot, Your Honor. The only car. And she's sitting there just waiting just to have me towed, like watching the cameras. And she told me that. And like, I don't know, I felt like that was a very bad business practice on their part. I wasn't doing anything but trying to go talk to my dad next door. And yeah, and I was coming back to get my rig. And by the time I got back there, I was gone for a half hour and, to have lunch with him, and my rig got towed. And I can read you the RCWs if you would like.
No, that's okay.
Your Honor, if you'll notice with the photos of grass that I sent to you, he was trespassing as well. There's a no trespassing sign right next to that. No parking sign as well.
What? No parking sign. All right.
We've had lots of trouble with people trying to camp out on the property and doing stuff. And his vehicle was here for a couple hours.
No, it wasn't.
And Mr. Zip, what's the statute you're looking at?
What do you mean? The RCW, or what do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
RCW statute. Same thing.
Okay. Sorry. I'm looking at. Okay. One second. I just.
Oh my God! I bought a bunch of Parmigiano Reggiano today.
No, that's access parking. Okay,
And maybe I'll make something delicious like that for dinner.
46.55, towing unauthorized vehicles.
With so
And
much
it says,
parm on
this is
top.
primary law that dictates how businesses can tow unauthorized vehicles from their private property. To legally remove a vehicle, a business must follow specific procedures. The first one states posting requirements. Now, and it says in here that if they post the signs up for tow, they also have to have a clear posted list of what the parking rules are, which would be like customer only parking or whatever. So when they have the unauthorized tow and the tow company sign up, to me it says they have to have a list of the specific tow of the parking rules. I didn't know that was customer only parking. I mean, you know, like if I go to a business and it says customer only parking, they have a sign out and you can't go to the next business. I didn't know I couldn't go to the next business. And then the second one down, Your Honor, says right here, no immediate towing. Businesses generally cannot tow a vehicle from a non-resident lot for at least 24 hours after it has been left there, unless the vehicle is obstructing traffic or safety. I was in their parking lot. I'm not doing either. So.
All right, thank you.
And I was the only car in the parking lot. So, I mean, I don't know. I understand that maybe they have some issues or whatever, but I mean, to me, if I was the only car in the parking lot, they could have gave me a minute to see if I was an issue or something, and then had me towed. And they would have realized I would have came back from my dad's work, and I would have went on my way up to work. And instead, they've cost me a lot of money with this now.
Your Honor, the signs don't specifically say customer only parking, but they do say unauthorized vehicles will be towed at the owner's expense 24 hours a day.
Yeah, and Your Honor, it says if they have those signs up, they have to have a list of the clear parking rules. That's what the RCW says.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's $40 worth of parm. Before it went on sale. Maybe I'll just make butternut squash pasta with chicken and then grate like an obscene amount of parm on it and pretend I'm at the Olive Garden. So beautiful. Somebody who cut this was so smart and good at it because it's so beautiful. It's like the perfect little piece in the world. And he even says parm. Is somebody kissing or are they clacking? I'm not biting it. It's wrapped up in plastic. I'm not gonna bite it. This is 24-month age Parmigiano Reggiano from Italy. Imported.
All right, I suspect what you're reading there, Mr. Zepp, is not the statute. It's
I'm reading
somebody's summary of what they believe the statute says.
I'm
The
reading
statute,
from RCW 46.55 from that bylaw.
okay, 4655 is a whole chapter of laws, and the one that's pertinent here is 4655070. And what it says is that signage in non-residential private property has to be in clearly conspicuous and visible location to all who park there, and clearly indicates the times the vehicle may be impounded and the name, telephone number, and address of the towing firm. And are they Summit Towing sign, or pardon me, Northwest Towing signs, or are they?
The Great Northwest.
They're Great Northwest.
And does it have timing on there, or is your view that the no trespassing is
It says
accomplishing?
authorized vehicles will be towed 24 hours a day. It doesn't list a specific time frame. It's just 24
Okay,
hours.
it just says 24 hours a day.
Yes,
So
sir.
the sign I'm looking at, and I think I saw at least 3 signs on the front of the building, is that right?
I believe so, yes.
All right, do you see what I'm talking about, Mr. Zepp?
Yeah, I understand, but what is an unauthorized vehicle? There's no thing that states what an unauthorized vehicle is.
Did you have permission from us to park on the property?
Yeah, okay, yeah, I don't need the 3 of you debating. I understand where each of you are coming from. just looking at the statute, it just says that as an unauthorized vehicle, unauthorized vehicle means one that doesn't have the permission of the owner to be there. And in this case, I guess you would qualify.
But
And the way, hold on.
okay,
They define unauthorized vehicle as vehicle that's left unattended in one of the private locations. And it says for the indicated period of time, and in this case, the period of time is any time, no parking, 24 hours a day. So leaving a vehicle there at any point in time is an unauthorized vehicle, and that's defined in 4655.010.
what
So,
about
I
what about
understand-
hey sir, what about 060 for business locations? The specifies for business locations.
Oh, Judge's smile dropped off his face as he's reading that statute. What's going on here? Aaron! Is he texting ChatGPT right now? Who's kissing? I want to be kissing. I like kissing.
Yeah, what you're reading is the obligation that towing companies have to post that information at their business location.
Yeah, that might have. Yeah, I'm sorry. That might have been the wrong. I clicked on the wrong one. But yeah, I mean, the one I just read to you though about it saying businesses can't immediate tow. I mean, that was RCW law that says they can't immediate tow.
Right, well, what you're reading is somebody's summation of that, which sounds like it's not factually accurate. They're generally right. They can't immediately tow unless it's properly signed, and that's defined in 070, as I pointed out. And I told you what 070 reads. In this case, I can't find that Northwest Towing or Aztec has done anything wrong. They have the signs up that say subject to towing any time of day, unauthorized vehicle, somebody who doesn't get permission of the owner to be on there. And there's
Okay, well, Your Honor.
All right. So
Your Honor,
last comment, Mr. Zepp, last shot at it.
Well, okay. I know that like by the RCW too, it says that they have to, if they are a business, they have to have a list of what the rules are that make it unauthorized. And they have nothing up that says what an unauthorized vehicle is.
There's no statutory requirement that I'm aware of that says that.
Right. I mean, like, okay, what makes me not a customer there? I've bowled leagues in their bowling alley before, so I mean, I've been a customer there before. So how do I have to ask permission every single time I go there, or something? Or I don't understand how that works. When I go to the mall, if I walk to the business next door, my rig don't get towed.
This is ridiculous.
Well, I mean, like.
Yeah, hold on.
I mean, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Zepp.
Yes.
Just stop.
Yep.
Just stop. I apply the law. The law is a little broad in that way, I get, but you do not have anybody's authority to park there. So given that, I'm going to find the impound was proper, and I'll ask Ms. Sellers, the fees you charged Mr. Zepp to redeem his vehicle, are those the statutory fees you've been authorized?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll find the fees are appropriate. All right, that's my final decision. Thank you.
Okay, I have one question though for you.
Yep.
Okay, so I filed a true bill notice for them renting my vehicle to Great Northwest Towing, and they are not responding to me at all on paying my bill for renting my vehicle.
You may need to file a lawsuit about that.
Okay.
That's not part of the impound hearing. Impound was the impound proper?
Right, yes. I guess I was more trying to get information on, do I just got to come down there and file that paperwork again then?
You know, I'll leave that up to you. You may want to talk to the attorney, you can figure it out, you know. You can file your own action, that's up to you.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll have my lawyer down there this afternoon. So thank you.
Your lawyer
All right,
that's not
thanks.
here.
All right, thanks, everybody. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that
You
it,
too.
Judge? That's it. Yes. Thank fucking Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so hungry. I probably ate half my calories in baguette crisps because that judge took so long. I'm going to sue him. I'm filing a small claims case against that judge for 450 calories. That's what's going to happen. Courtney, I love you. You guys, thank you so much for being here. What a wonderful night we have. Remember what I said, we're watching court live tomorrow. Like one of the OGs in the field, Credence and Mikey. We're gonna try that tomorrow morning around 9:15 a.m. Pacific, which is 12:15 p.m. East. Let's see what they got for us. Maybe it'll be something good. I don't know. We're gonna find out together. I love being together. Anyways, do me a favor in the meantime. Remember that I love you and I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna go make a quesadilla. Okay, bye. Bye.